Hi friends, good evening. This is Prabhat Thakur and today I am going to say some points which I have learned from the book Think and Grow Rich written by Napoleon Hill. So the first point is we should fix in our mind the exact amount of money which we have desired for. There should not be any statement like we need plenty of money. Rather, we should have a definite plan and we should be specific to the exact amount of money which we desire for, because a psychological factor works over it. Second one is determine exactly what the price you are paying for the desired goal. Price here indicates the struggle or hard work or the consistent effort or the time, whatever you are going to put in for getting that particular amount of money which you have desired for. The third point is establish a definite date. The date has to be established very clearly, because this date will decide on when you are going to achieve the amount which you have desired for. So the fourth one is create a definite plan for carrying out your desire. A clear plan should be ready for achieving that goal, because a plan, step by step plan, will help you to achieve that goal easily. Next is write out a clear, concise statement of the amount of money you want to acquire. Very concise and clear statement should be written, and we should also fix the time limit for achieving that amount which we are desired for. Next one is read your written statement aloud in the morning and in the night before going to bed. This will help you to program your mind to work for that goal, and also this will help you to achieve the desired result within a time limit. Thank you.